Hello UK graduates, warm greetings from International Admission Service Ltd. Many of you have recently completed your bachelor's or master's degree and are currently enjoying the benefits of the UK's 2-year post-study work visa, gaining valuable experience and exploring new opportunities. Not sure what to do now? Don't worry, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Whether you're planning to pursue a master's degree or move forward with a PhD, our expert team at International Admission Service Ltd is ready to support you, fully aligned with the latest UKVI immigration rules and regulations. And here's the exciting part. No maintenance funds required, no medical tests needed, no English language proficiency test necessary. Yes, it's that simple. Our certified study abroad counsellors are ready to help you find the right path. And for personalised guidance, you can even book a session with our CEO, HM Mashur Rahman, who is here to personally assist you. So what are you waiting for? Make an appointment today and take the next big step towards your academic and professional future. Hurry up! And best of luck from all of us here at International Admission Service Ltd.